Built to meet the toughest challenges thrown their way, Bobcat tractors are ideal machines for homeowners with acreage and commercial operators alike. From general turf and property maintenance, all the way to heavy-duty, ground-engaging implements and large-scale tasks. These machines were designed with you in mind, which means it's not about whether or not we offer it. It's all about which tractor is right for you. Perfect for less than 10 acres, compact tractors easily move and work close to trees, buildings, and other highly landscaped environments. They can easily maneuver around sheds and operate inside barns and animal enclosures. For maximum productivity and potential, utility tractors are perfect for large acreage properties 10 acres or more, and ideal for towing heavy loads, hauling heavy material, handling hay bales while traversing long distances, mowing acres at a time, and handling the deepest snowfalls. One of the biggest differences between compact and utility tractors is the type of rear 3-point hitch. Compact tractors come equipped with a versatile Category 1 3-point hitch and mid-PTO. Combined, they're compatible with multiple attachments and implements, allowing you to take on a bevy of challenges in any season. From mowing, grading, digging, and snow removal, utility tractors are equipped with a Category 2 3-point hitch rear PTO and one pair of standard rear remote hydraulic hookups, providing the ultimate in attachment versatility. Both the Bobcat compact and utility tractors make use of low noise, low vibration engines, designed to keep you working comfortably and focused on the task, while still delivering maximum power to overcome the toughest challenges. Powerful transmission keeps Bobcat tractors moving when the tasks pile up. The difference between our compact and utility tractors is that compact tractors come equipped with either manual shift or hydrostatic transmission. This allows for maximum precision in control and maneuverability on the CT unit. And because hydrostatic transmissions have fewer moving parts, they're easier to service and maintain, potentially lowering upkeep costs. Our utility tractors come standard with a rugged 12x12 3-range power shuttle transmission, assuring 24/7 365-day productivity with improved ease of use in backward and forward movement. Regardless of model, Bobcat compact and utility tractors come loaded with comfort features and intuitive, easy-to-use controls. Both the compact and utility tractor models feature open air and cab offerings, with the utility tractor offering more in the way of interior space and comfort. Both the compact and utility tractors feature Bobcat's one-side maintenance. That means for most models, all daily checks, engine fluid fills, and filters are located on one side of the engine. This assures minimal effort to keep your machine running smoothly, and both machines are backed by an impressive 24-month or 1,500-hour warranty. Bobcat has built its brand on quality equipment, sold and serviced by reliable, best-in-class dealers who provide local access to authorized service, warranty repairs, and parts availability. The best way to choose the right model is to speak with your local Bobcat dealer and schedule a demo. Whether it's the versatility and maneuverability of a Bobcat compact tractor or the power and capacity of a utility tractor, you can be assured every machine is built to take on the toughest jobs and biggest challenges. Bobcat, one tough animal.